As promised, I heard from and spoke to the owner of the franchise OHM Fitness. His name is Doug Payne, and here's what he told me. He lives in Scottsdale. He has children. He is a member of our community. He is not new to being a franchisor. He owned Massage Envy, Orange Theory, European Wax Center, and now OHM. As a member of our community, he has felt personally like this event that is happening in the East Valley is unprecedented. He said in all of his time living here and owning franchises, nothing like this has ever happened. Nothing this massive has ever happened. And the franchise agreements, there were two of them. One made Becky Renner the area manager, which means she would be in charge of other people opening OHM fitness centers and mentoring them. And he felt like that couldn't happen anymore. The agreement allows franchisors to terminate agreements for all sorts of reasons. And one of those reasons was present here. He didn't tell me which one, but there was a clause within the agreement that allowed him to terminate the franchise. One was for that area manager role, and one was for the ownership of the Cooley Station OHM. There were three main reasons. Number one, he felt like it was the right thing to do. I'm sure that he was in a difficult position over time because nobody's been convicted of anything, which is why there's so much public pressure and public anger. And that public pressure and public anger was spilling out, of course, to the other employees of OHM Fitness. And he felt like the best thing he could do to protect the current employees of OHM Fitness who were getting angry emails was to terminate that relationship with Becky. It also undoubtedly was very bad for business. Some of the other questions that people were sending me was, maybe she just sold it to her partners for $1 so it wasn't a real sell. There were no partners. He told me that she originally had partners, that she bought out those partners in July. There's no partners now. Another person said, well, other family members still work there. I think a kiddo of hers worked there. He said, yes, that was true. A kiddo of hers did work there, but was terminated prior to this franchise agreement being terminated. He didn't need to talk to me. He didn't need to answer my questions. I found him to be sincere, and he's in a difficult position. Here is the statement from OHM Fitness. Go ahead and pause to read.